Alright, it's a little nicer today. We got some sun finally. So, this should have some pretty good video. Sunny day. Running at 4K, 60 frames. Standard stabilization, standard profile. We'll do a couple quick shots. I won't talk too much. Yep, walking the dog again. Should take pretty good shots. Action cam, any camera in the daylight should take pretty decent video. I'm gonna try and do a night shot again tonight. My first attempt was wasn't that great because I forgot to put the stabilizer on. But I will do another one today, and I'll do a drive as well. So I'm gonna see if there's any difference, because I've found a glass tempered protector, and I've got it on the lens right now to protect the lens, so let's see if it makes any difference. I don't think it will. Pretty good lens protector, so let's see. Let's shoot this right at the sun and see if we get it. Okay. Okay, just switched over using a pause function, so I'm doing a little selfie here. Let's look at the buildings behind me. Let's see if I can do can you guys see the sun behind me? How's that look? Let's see how the sun glares on there. There you go. No. Leave it. No, come on. Look at these guys go. You got two of them. You're Ken. You're no match for those guys. Let's go a little further and pull. Switch over here. There, how's that? Further. Let's go. Camera. Spin it around. Let's go, Bob. This guy is so nosy. I'm gonna. Come on, Bob. Come on, I'm gonna go. Let's go. I'm gonna go turn here sometime. Alright, so nice sunny day shot. Should be some pretty good video here. So. Alright, let's go. Let's go, buddy. Come on, let's go. Bark at other dogs. Come on, let's go. You'd be silly. Come on, again. Don't be nasty. You're being naughty. You're walking the dog. Alright, signing off. Wait, again.